No, you're gonna have to step out of the vehicle now.
For what?
Sir, you're gonna have to step out of the vehicle. The driver refuses to give me his driver's license.
Not correct, incorrect. I have it right here. You give me 15 seconds, sir.
Didn't use a blinker 100 feet before the turn, so I stopped him. I requested his driver's license. He started demanding.
Welcome back to the LackLuster channel. I receive dozens of video submissions a day, and I appreciate each and every one of them. This is the first time I've lost track of the person who sent it in, and I apologize. So if this video is yours, please email me and I will ensure the appropriate credit is given. Bonner County, Kansas. This man was traveling through town and noticed an officer following him. He alleges that the officer made an illegal U-turn and followed him for 4 turns throughout the town, but only 3 are verifiable. Everything appears to be business as usual when the officer conducts a traffic stop.
Traffic. Hello, Officer Carpet with the Stringfield Police Department. The reason I pulled you over is because when you made your right-hand turn, you only used your blinker right before you made your turn. So I need your driver's license and insurance, please.
Note that the first request for a driver's license was at 16:47 and 18 seconds.
Is there a reason you're following me today? Is there a reason
No,
you made four turns around me? Is there a reason you made an illegal U-turn down by the school to follow me? Is there any of those reasons?
I'm gonna ask you, this is the last time I'm gonna tell you, I need your driver's license and insurance.
What crime did I commit again?
Just over 20 seconds later, the officer calls for backup.
1523, can I get an 85, please?
What crime did I commit again?
Give me your driver's license and insurance.
What crime are you? What crime
Sir,
am I
we're gonna have to get.
What crime am I suspected of committing?
I need your driver's license. Sir, you're gonna have to step out of the vehicle.
35 seconds in, the man is ordered to exit the vehicle, and on any legal traffic stop, this is a lawful order.
Step out of the vehicle.
I have it right here.
No, you're gonna have to step out of the vehicle now.
For what?
Sir, you're gonna have to step out of the vehicle. Sir, I need you to step out of the vehicle.
For what, sir?
I already told you I needed your driver's license. You didn't want to give me your driver's license.
I have my driver's
and now
license right here,
I've asked
sir.
you 3 times
for
for your driver's license. You did not give it to me, so now you gotta step out of the vehicle.
For what, sir?
All right.
Here's my driver's license right here, so you have to give me 15 seconds.
1523. The driver refuses to give me his driver's license.
Not correct, incorrect. I have it right here. You give me 15 seconds, sir. You can't be a freaking tyrant. Right here. Look, we've been here for 1 minute and 30 seconds. He gave me 15 seconds to pull out my license. 15 seconds, okay? Here's my license.
Sir, we need to go ahead and get, that's fine, but I still need you to step out of the vehicle.
I'm gonna step out of the vehicle because you're giving me a lawful command to step out, correct?
Yes.
I'm gonna turn off my vehicle.
Turn off your vehicle.
I'm opening my door, okay?
Okay.
Do not touch me.
Nope, you gotta face that way. You have to face your door.
You said to get out of the vehicle.
Yes, and I'm telling you what you have to do.
Okay.
So go ahead and step out of the vehicle and face the crevice of your door.
I can't fit in between. Can you step back where I can fit?
Nope. This is where you. That's it.
Yes,
that's all
sir.
you get.
Yes, sir. I just please don't touch me.
Let us move out.
Yeah,
move out of the vehicle.
I'm trying to move out. What is your deal, man?
Face the truck. Okay. Do you have any weapons? Anything on you?
No, sir. What is your deal, sir? What is your deal, sir? Why are you treating me like this? I didn't do anything to you. I didn't do anything wrong.
Okay, let's go back over here. Let's go back over here.
Where?
Okay.
Please direct me
Face
with your
that way.
voice, sir.
Okay. You don't have anything on you?
I already answered that question, sir.
Thank you.
Are you under any influence or anything? I've already answered that question.
Face that way.
once.
Don't be moving
I've already
around.
answered that question once. Why are you asking me 2 questions twice, sir?
Okay. Want me to pull up your pants a little bit? Because your pants are about to fall off.
No, my pants are fine, sir.
Okay.
Are you trying to sexually touch me? Is that what you're trying to do?
All right, we're gonna go over here.
Where am I going now?
We're going to the back of my patrol car. Go ahead, have a seat.
There's no room for me to have a seat, sir.
There's a room for you to have a seat. Go ahead and have a seat. Inside the patrol car where the seat goes.
Oh,
Do you want me to give you... You can go ahead and put your left foot in.
Still a seatbelt my way, sir.
The seatbelt is mandatory like that, okay? We put it like that. So go put your left leg in. Make sure your bottom is seated in the seat correctly, please.
Can I pull my pants to do that? I can't even stretch.
Okay.
I am on Social Security disability for bad knee there, sir. Please,
okay.
Please,
yeah, I'm not going to push your knee. I'm gonna put your seatbelt on just for safety, okay?
1523, is everything 10-4?
10-4. I have the subject detained.
Out, 23.
So, this is what I have, Jennings. So I'm coming up, turn on, and then he made a turn here. Didn't use a blinker 100 feet before the turn, so I stopped him. I requested his driver's license. He started demanding, and then I requested his driver's license again. And then the third time I told him, like, you're gonna get out of the vehicle. So I already patted him down. I detained him, and he's in the back of my car right now.
Okay.
They refused to give me his driver's license. He didn't want to give it to me.
So you found it on the pat down then?
He gave it to me.
Oh, he finally gave it to you?
Yeah.
Okay.
But it was after I already ordered him out of the vehicle. He didn't want to get out.
Okay. So what crimes do we have so far then?
So we have using the turn signal not with 100, not using the turn signal 100 feet before a turn, and then refusing to identify himself. So those two.
Yeah. It'd be kind of hard to prove that one because he finally did.
Okay.
So we got that. Did he provide you with insurance?
No, he hasn't.
Did you request it?
I did request it.
Okay, so
This point of the video is edited, and it is unclear who altered the video. The officer makes several claims that we can unpack here. First, he says that the driver refused to identify, but the video I watched showed the driver handing over his ID. He did stall and ask questions regarding the nature of the stop, as he is clearly agitated for being pulled over for something so petty, not using his turn signal 100 feet prior to the turn. Kansas Statutes Chapter 8, Section 1548 covers turning movements and required signals, and states that a signal of intention to turn or move right or left, when required, shall be given continuously during not less than the last 100 feet traveled by the vehicle before turning. When observing the vehicle approaching the corner and observing when the turn signal was activated, we can see that it begins to flash at the end of this fence. When viewing the location on Google Maps and using the key offered on the page, it is clear that the driver only used his turn signal for the last 50 feet. The issue is the enforcement of the statute. The blanket 100 feet. The speed limit on this street is 30 miles per hour, and if the driver was traveling 30 miles per hour, he would travel 100 feet in 2.13 seconds. The maximum speed limit in Kansas is 75 miles per hour, and at that speed, 100 feet is traveled in about 9/10 of a second. The law is written to enforce a distance used, rather than the time a motorist would have to react, and a controlled study in the year 2000 found that the average driver reaction brake time to be 2.3 seconds, rendering the 100-foot statute ineffective. To say that the law is sloppily written and unfairly enforced is to say the least. Given that the officer is observed following the driver for at least 3 of the 4 turns, it is clear that the officer was targeting the individual. The reason may never be known, but this style of policing is the tip of the iceberg for why no one feels safe when law enforcement is nearby while driving. In this case, the officer was not out to serve and protect the public, as there was no one around. Should the driver have signaled earlier? Probably, out of courtesy, but I would like to know who the injured party is in this incident.
He he tried to make it look like, he said I only gave him 15 seconds to identify himself, but I kept requesting his ID and he didn't want to do it.
Okay.
At this point, the body language of the officers makes it clear that they're having a conversation, but their voices stop at this beep. And all we can hear is the sound of the environment. The audio picks back up shortly.
Thank you. So.
All right, let's go back up. Let's ask him for proof of insurance and then see if he is willing and able to provide it to us.
Okay.
Well, I mean, we'll go ahead. Now that we know who he is, we can go ahead and uncuff him.
Okay.
And then we'll just ask him for the proof of insurance. And if he's willing to do that, if he doesn't want to give it to us or can't, then we'll take that next step.
Okay.
The tag came back to the vehicle.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, I have him in the vehicle. I'll pull him out then.
Okay.
All right. I'm gonna get you out of here. Okay. Come on, step out. All right. Face the doorway. Face the doorway. Thank you. Okay. Let's come over here and stand by the curb over here by my sergeant. All right. Do you have insurance? Yeah. Are you willing? Where is it?
It's on my phone.
On your phone? I'll bring your phone to you, okay? Your phone is still recording, just to let you know. So here you go.
I don't plan on changing it.
That's fine. I still need to see proof of insurance.
Okay.
You don't? Are you gonna show me proof of insurance or not?
I guess I'll take care of it up at the station whenever you give me the ticket.
Okay.
I'll
Then
take
you
care
can
of
get a
it.
citation for it too. Okay.
That's fine. What's my other citation for?
For a turn here. So you didn't have your you didn't place your turn signal 100 feet before the turn. You placed it and then you turned. Okay.
So that's your reason for pulling me over and following me for how many turns?
Okay. I'm gonna write the citation now.
No,
okay?
I want to know why you followed me for so many turns.
So,
You made an illegal U-turn to speed without emergency lights to come and try to follow me up here to make 4 turns around me while I was.
Right now is not where you're going to be.
I did not have 100 feet.
Right now is not
to turn
where
on my signal in between the
you
turns
can go
that
ahead
you were following
and
me.
talk to the judge. Me and you, we're not going to be discussing this on the side. Okay?
Why not?
This is not where it's at. This is not where it happens. You talk to the judge, and the judge, you talk with the judge.
You're making it up. You're making it up.
The officer leaves to write up a ticket, while the driver engages in conversation with the sergeant. I will link the full unedited video below in the event you want to hear what was said.
Name and badge number.
I need to finish the citation, I'll give you my name and badge number.
Can
It's
I have
also
your
on the
name and badge
citation.
number, sir?
Officer Carpio, 591. So I'm going to read the citation to you, okay?
Yeah, this made up phone, yes.
One is for proof of insurance. The other one is for your turn signal here. Okay, you didn't use it 100 feet before.
I'll be getting your dash cam video.
Without admitting to guilt, do you promise to call the Barnes Prison Report at 913-422-7800
Whatever you say, buddy.
between 10 a.m. and 4 p.m. on 11/25/2020?
Yeah, I'll give him a call.
Okay, here you go. You need to take the citation.
Yeah. Touch him, drop it, and say you're served. You gotta touch it to him and then drop it and say you're served.
You've been served. Okay.
All right, you're free to go.
Here's your insurance. Here's your driver's license.
Yep.
Okay. Now you're free to go.
Cool.
Okay. Huh. You're free to go, sir. And you also do not stand in the road. Don't stand in the middle of the road, please.
Okay.
Thank you.
Free to go.
Unfortunately, I am unaware of the outcome of this case. Again, if this is your video, please reach out and let me know at the email address below. If I ever figure it out, I will post an update. In the meantime, remember to use your blinker 2.13 seconds before a turn on side streets and 0.91 seconds before merging on the freeway, especially if being tailed by pirates. Thank you for watching. If you have an incident you'd like me to review, email it, submit it through the comment section, on my website, or through Facebook Messenger. I promise not to lose track of it. All links are down below. That concludes our video for today. Please subscribe and turn on all notifications so you never miss a video. If you're old here, like, share, comment down below what you think of this interaction, and consider a channel membership or merch to further support the channel. If you have an incident you'd like us to review, link it down below or contact us through the social media platforms linked in the description.